Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We gonna get right into it. So first you're gonna need some containers to put your lip gloss in. You're gonna need actual lip gloss. I got mine from the hair store, it was $1. Next you're gonna need a brush for your lipstick. I'm using the eyeshadow brush, don't get at me. Right here is the holographic glitter I'm gonna use. Make sure you guys are using a cosmetic glitter. I got mine from TKB Trading. I think it was like $1.50. I'm gonna put the link down below. But now what you want to do is open the containers so we can get started by making the lip gloss. I'm going to be taking my strawberry lip gloss, so you already know it's about to be popping. So basically I had like a little bit left, so you know I'm just pouring what's left out of the container, out of the tube into my container, and that's going to be my desired amount for today. Once you get all of that done, we're going to be taking our glitter, and this is where you decide how much you want to put in. If you just want it to be like a subtle glitter gloss, then put a little and then work your way up into like your desired amount. If you want it to be popping, just go ahead and dump it on in there, okay? But I like mine popping, so you see I'm just shaking, putting it in there. But I put like a good amount. I didn't put too much, as you guys can see. And we're just gonna mix that together. I'm using like the back end of one of my unicorn brushes. Don't judge. But yeah, after you guys mix everything up, that is basically it. That's how you make your own DIY glitter gloss. This probably costs about $3 to make. So as always, I will see you guys in my next video, but just stay tuned for the after clips, you know. But peace out.